Good morning, kids. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution. I am Shivani Manna, your science teacher. Your kids, your second term examination course has started. Now, open your science book, chapter 5. Chapter 5 is adaptation in plants. In adaptation in plants, we cover the topic. First is adaptation in plants, second terrestrial plants, third aquatic plants. So, to start the topic, adaptation in plant, first is adaptation in plants. Kids, some animals and plants are also different at different place. सब प्लांट एनिमल्स और प्लांट्स के तो हर जगह बच्चों नहीं एक जगह हो सकते, सबके इन्वायरमेंट और सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग उनकी हैबिटेट और लिविंग स्टाइल में चेंजेस आते हैं. जैसे डेजर्ट प्लांट्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स इन प्लेन्स. डेजर्ट प्लांट्स कैसे होते हैं, अलग होते हैं. उनकी लिविंग स्टाइल, उनके शेप, साइज, कलर वो अलग होते किससे, प्लेन्स प्लांट्स में, यानी प्लांट्स जो कि प्लेन्स एरिया में ग्रो करते हैं उनसे अलग होते हैं. प्लांट्स इन फॉरेस्ट एंड डिफरेंट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो इन वाटर. प्लांट्स यानी फॉरेस्ट में जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो किससे डिफरेंट होते हैं, जो प्लांट्स पानी में रहते हैं. पानी में रहने वाले प्लांट्स को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, aquatic plants. So both are different. Plants have adaptation to help them live and grow in their habitats. Plants have their adaptation to help them live and grow in their habitat. Habitats means it's the natural living place of an animal. The natural living place of an animal. Animals की जहाँ पे रहते हैं उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं habitat. So adaptation means the special features or the changes that allow plants to live and survive in a particular area are called adaptation. Adaptation means special features or the changes, means वो special features और changes जो plants को अलग एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में रहने को और सर्वाइव करने के लिए हेल्प करती है, उसे हम लोग एडेप्टेशन कहते हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? Adaptation in plants are according to their habitat, protection and reproduction. In this chapter we are read about the plants, adaptation in plants on the basis of habitat. We are read the adaptation in plants on the basis of habitat. Adaptation in plant is classified in habitat, protection and reproduction. So adaptation in plant is divided into two parts. First is terrestrial plants, second is aquatic plants. Clear? I repeat this adaptation in plants again. Some animals and plants are different at different places. Desert plants are different from plants in plains, and plants in forest are different from plants grow in water. They both are different to each other. Plants have adaptation to help them live and grow in their habitat. Habitat means the natural living place of an animal, that is called habitat. So adaptation means the special feature or the changes that allow plants to live and survive in a particular area are called adaptation. Adaptation in plants are classed according to the habitat, reproduction and protection. In this chapter we read adaptation in plants on the basis of habitat. So adaptation in plants is divided into two parts. The first is terrestrial plants, second is aquatic plants. So our next topic is terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plants, students. What is terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on land, that is called terrestrial plants. What is terrestrial plants, kids? Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. They are found in mountains, plains, marshy area, desert, forest, grassland, coastal areas. What is terrestrial plants? Terrestrial plants are found on land. Terrestrial plants grow on land. They are called terrestrial plants that grow on land. They are called terrestrial plants. Plants are found in plains, hilly or mountain areas, Third is marshy areas. Fourth is desert. Fourth is coastal area. Then the next is grassland. I repeat it. Terrestrial plants. What is terrestrial plants? Plants that grow on land. They are called terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are found in plains, hilly or mountain areas, marshy areas, desert, coastal area and grassland. Yes, kids. Now our first topic is plants in plains. In terrestrial plants, first topic is plants in plains. So in plains, first of all we are talking about their climate. In plains, the climate of this place is neither too hot nor too cold. The plants that grow in this climate have lots of branches and plants shed their leaves in winter, like mango, gulmohar and banyan tree. Example, mango, gulmohar and banyan tree. This is the example of plants in plains. Plants in plains. In plains, the climate of this area is neither too hot nor too cold. These plants that grow in this climate have lots of branches. Plants shed their leaves in the winter. Example, mango, gulmohar, banyan tree. Next topic is plants in mountain or hilly area. Plants in mountain or hilly. The climate is in this area. The climate is generally cold in mountain. There is snowfall in many areas like fir, pine, cedar, fir, pine, cedar. The conical shape of the tree that allows snow to easily slide off easily. The conical shape of the plant helps in the snowfall slide off easily. The adaptation seen in trees are, first, trees are tall, straight and cone shaped. इनमें पेड़ कैसे होते हैं बच्चों? सीधे, लंबे और cone shaped. में cone shaped होता है like this. This is called cone shape. Clear? Second is, a few trees have needle-like leaves. कुछ ट्रीज में के पत्ते कैसे होते हैं? नीडल्स की तरह होते हैं, एकदम सुई की तरह होते हैं, नुकीले. थर्ड, मोस्ट ट्रीज आर एवरग्रीन. मींस हिली एंड माउंटेन एरियाज मोस्टली ट्रीज आर evergreen. Clear, students? Now I'm going to repeat this again. Plain and mountain or hilly areas, the climate is generally cold in mountains. There is snowfall in land areas like fair, fine and feather. The pointed shape of the tree that allows snow to slide off easily. The adaptation of the plants are: trees are tall, straight and cone-shaped. A few trees have needle-like leaves. Third, most trees are evergreen. Kids, today I complete the topic adaptation in plants and terrestrial plants, plants in plains and plants in mountain or hilly areas. We continue this chapter in our next class. So, thank you. Have a nice day.